Welcome to all to my channel Biology Madam. My today's note is on factors responsible for endemism. This is a short video on the factors which are basically responsible for causing endemism. As we know, the species can become extinct for a number of natural reasons, such as the extinction of a key prey species or pollinator, diseases, being out of competed by invasive species because of changes in environmental conditions, geological events like volcanic eruptions, or simply by evolutions. In the case of radiation, the parental species may disappear as well if it evolves into two or more new species, perhaps without any loss of gene. There are several factors that threaten local populations or endemic species at regional scales are related to the alteration of environmental conditions or species compositions on the one hand and to biological traits such as reproductive wastage on the other hand. So without taking much time, directly enters within the main point. The factors responsible for endemism are divided in two factors. One is historical factors and the others is called ecological factors. The drifting continents, dispersal and extinctions are the possible historical factors, whereas the mutations, disruption of ecological interactions are the ecological factors. So, the details of the factors responsible for endemism are the geographical barriers like lakes, mountains, rivers, islands. These cause the separation of species or it cause the fragmentation of the species. The second one is the changing in climatic conditions that also alters the habitat where they basically live. Whereas the increase in the range of an invasive species causes a direct wait a minute it causes a direct cause effect relationship that is due to the competition. The second one, an indirect cause effect relationship also visible, that is due to the human influence. Basically it causes some positive effects for one and negative effects for the others, and in the third case, that is the independent process. This leads towards the endemism. The fourth factor is the risk of extinction increases if the size of a taxon's range decreases. As we know, if the individuals are decreases in their number, so the chances of extinctions is very high in that species. If the species consisting of a small or fragmented populations, then they are also reducing in their sizes. That is another factors. The sixth one is the distribution of habitat. The habitat loss, changes in habitat quality, habitat fragmentation, it also causes the it also hampers the endemic it also hampers the habitat that directly cause the endemism. And the seventh one are the factors like genetic drift, food range limited to a geographical area reduced the competition in the geographical area by eliminating some individuals to balance. Basically, during when the number of species is high and the food is restricted, that time the nature try to eliminate some individual to balance their environment. And the last one is the biotic crisis and conservation of endemic vascular plants. Here it includes the economic, physiological, religious, social, cultural and other aspects of affecting or sparing the nature. Different indicators, monitoring and assessment systems for evaluating the process for the progress is halting the loss of biodiversity have been achieved. So, these are the factors which are responsible for endemism. Please note it down, and if you want to write down the notes from my video, then please go through my video and write it down. আর যদি আরো এরকম ভিডিওর জন্য তোমরা রিকোয়েস্ট করো, প্লিজ if you want some notes from me, then write it down in the comment section, and please do share this video with your friends. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you so much.